All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to look at how do I calculate my grade? I got this test back from my teacher. How do I know what percent that I earned? Okay. So here's a sample question that we have. But first, what I wanted like to do is this. This is one of those questions where they make you work your way back a little bit. It's a multiple choice type of a question, but I want you to see a scenario. I want to present you with a hypothetical before we begin to do this question. Okay. If a teacher gives you a paper back, an assignment back, a quiz back, or a homework assignment back, right? The two most important numbers that are associated is number one, how much is it worth, and what did you earn? Okay. So if the teacher gives you a paper back, what you're going to do is you're going to make a fraction first. If they gave you a paper back and they said you earned 18 out of 20, so you got an 18, your score was 18, and that paper was worth 20, you build a fraction first. Now, the fraction is the key to this, okay? Because remember what we can do with any fraction. You can make it into a decimal by taking the top number divided by the bottom. So now you get 0.9, and now we know you can make any single decimal into a percent by just taking it and multiplying it by 100. So now 0.9 times 100 is going to give me my 90%. Okay, so this is the model. This is essentially what you would do each and every time if you had to find out what percent that you earned on an assignment. Okay, now look at my question that's being presented to you. It says that you scored an 82% on an English quiz that had 50 questions. Well, I'm missing something here. I'm missing how many questions I got right. That's the question that you have. That's the question that's presented to you. So now what you could simply do is work your way backwards. So watch how I mimic on the right what I did on the left. So the first thing that I'm going to have here is that I have 82% in the math problem. So here's my 82%. The next thing, I got to work my way backwards. Instead of multiplying by 100, I'm going to take 82% and I'm going to divide it by 100 to get my decimal value. Then I'm going to build a fraction I need to set it equal to, and I know how many questions this English test was worth, 50, but I don't know the top. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, my right looks exactly like my left. The job is I got to figure out which number makes that true. Now, obviously, it's multiple choice. If you wanted to, you can go through and take each of the answers and divide them by 50 and see which one of them comes out to be the value that you want. Or we can use what we did in algebra. Solve the equation. That's a one-step equation. Right now, you're looking at some number divided by 50 is equal to 0.82. What's the opposite of dividing by 50? Multiplying by 50. And when you take 0.82 and you multiply that by 50, you see what the answer comes out to be. So we didn't even need to have that multiple choice. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you calculate your grade from an assignment or a quiz or answer any questions along those lines. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.